So what's good, guys? So we'll just be having this short breakdown of a trade we took yesterday. Sorry, I was supposed to record this video and post it yesterday night, but I got tired when I got back home from my football training. So this is just a simple breakdown of this trade which I showed you guys. I showed you guys live. I took it live with you guys. So what are you going to just do? This is just identifying your supply and demand. So you all know I treat smart money concept, but there are different ways I've modified this that is making me have a high win rate. So if you go on your 4-hour time frame of JPY, I don't often trade this pair. I don't trade this often, but I just decided to trade it yesterday when I spotted a good trade on the asset. So hold on while my network loads. All right, this is a 4-hour time frame of JPY, and you just need I'm a scalper. At times I do intraday intraday trading, so I just just take little from what the market has, then use good lot size to make more. Now, what did we notice? What is the overall bias of this asset? This asset is trending to the downside, guys. It's trending to the downside. So after all this bearish movement to the downside, let me just add something. After all this bearish movement to the downside, hold on, guys. After all this bearish movement to the downside, then we had this break of structure. We had this change of character, signifying that price want to change its bias to bullish. Do you understand? So after spotting this out, what is the next thing to do? I identify my current trend. Do you understand? Now our current trend right here is now bullish. Now you might not see it very well because this is the 4-hour time frame, but if you notice very well, it's now forming series. So after this break of structure here, we had a pullback. Then price is trying to break this structure again, but before that, price started giving us a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, which is a signification of a bullish trend. Now if you go on your 1-hour time frame, you will be able to spot it a lot better. So let's go to a 1-hour time frame to see it. You are going to be able to spot it better. You can see what I said. You can see now price is forming series of higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, you can see it. This is just mini trend inside the main trend. So this is just what. So right here yesterday, after this pullback, then price broke structure. So I was expecting a pullback right here to take a sell, then probably push to the upside. Do you understand? So this is what I was just anticipating yesterday, to just take a sell to push the price down as a retracement, then buy again. So after anticipating that, then I went down to my 15-minute time frame just to check my bias and see what I had, or the opportunity I had yesterday. So yeah, on the 15-minute time frame, price is still giving us the same bias of higher highs and higher lows. You can see it for yourself. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, then higher low. So I was expecting this retracement down. Do you understand? So why did I decide to take this zone? I went down to my 5-minute time frame. So after going down to my 5-minute time frame, I spotted some things down. Let me move to this. Let me show you guys. Right. So now on my 5-minute time frame, what did I notice? Now you know that I said I only wanted to trade the pullback. So trading the pullback, I will not be holding the trade for long. It is scalping. Do you all get me? So now I spotted this break of structure just right here. Price broke structure right there. After this break of structure, I was anticipating that there must always be a supply zone. Do you understand? There must always be a supply zone most of the time, which is this clean supply zone just right here. Which is this clean supply zone just right here. And after spotting this my supply zone, what was I anticipating? I was waiting for me to see a liquidity just below my zone, which is this swing high liquidity below this my zone. Then after seeing this, now my student will understand how I made my entry more. If you are my student or you want to learn how I trade, how I catch this sort of setup, just use the link in the description to contact me and learn more. There are some secrets that I will not be sharing here, which is what made me enter this trade. Do you understand? My confirmations, my confluences, I'm not going to be sharing everything. Do you understand? So after I got this swing high liquidity below my zone, then there's also another thing I have been preaching here, which is fair value gap. After seeing all this, I was like, okay, we are probably going to take a sell. So aside that, I also saw this inducement. If you want to learn more, forget the terminology, I will break it down to you for you to understand. I saw this inducement, just this black to black and push down. This inducement, when I saw this, I was like, okay, this price is going to sell. So my anticipated target is just this low. If price can come and break it, but I know for sure that that is low probability because we are on an uptrend. So what did I do at that moment? The trade was, I think I'm going to just share the trade also with you. I took my trade just right here and I targeted around 1 to 3, which is around this zone. And I think my stop loss here is too wide. Maybe my entry was a bit late, but this is just the trade, guys. This is just simple how the trade was. And when price got to around this zone, I decided to close because I had a football training at that point. So this is just how simple you can trade supply and demand. So if you want this far, consider subscribing to this channel and like this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Join my free Telegram, link will also be below, to enjoy free trading setup. I do drop trading setups there. Just join it. And if you want to learn how I trade, just use the link in the description and contact me, then you learn more. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys. Subscribe to this channel.